Sourcing Buy is partnered with the Alibaba Group
by accessing 16088 to help the clients to source from China easily and safely.
What other additional services can you provide somebody?
We verify reliable manufacturers, inspecting the product's quality, arranging shipment, and you can get the free storage.
So right now, we're on the Sourcing Buy website. Welcome to Power Your E-commerce Business, the go-to series for busy entrepreneurs like you. Product research, sales, marketing, branding, shipping and logistics. We share knowledge and information every week from top experts serving the MENA region to help you power your e-commerce business. So it's finally time for you to source products and sell those fantastic products on your very own website or on Amazon. Now, most e-commerce sellers use Alibaba.com. And if you've heard of Alibaba.com, chances are you've also heard of 1688, better known as the Chinese Alibaba. The positives of using 1688, better prices, and more flexibility with lower MOQs. But the negatives of using 1688, first of all, as international clients, you can't use 1688 because it is for the domestic Chinese market. So there's no way you can get your products shipped via 1688 like you do it on Alibaba.com. Big language barrier. Rarely are you gonna find any English-speaking suppliers. And last but not least, definitely, is you can't really verify the quality of those products. So you don't know what the product quality is. And that's a very big problem in my opinion. Enter Sourcing Buy. Sourcing Buy is a sourcing agency with over 20 years of experience helping international clients source products directly from 1688 or other local Chinese companies. Sourcing Buy is partnered with the Alibaba Group in order to provide international sellers and international customers such services. I'm gonna be interviewing Preda, one of the fantastic team members of Sourcing Buy, in this video to explain to you a little bit more about what Sourcing Buy is. But make sure that you keep watching the video till the end so you know exactly how to open your Sourcing Buy account and how actually Sourcing Buy works. But before we get going, I'm proud to say that Amazon Sellers Society is a brand partner with Sourcing Buy. And because we are partnered with this fantastic company, we are able to provide you with a promotional code, which is ASSME. Make sure that you use it when you register your account on Sourcing Buy. More information if you keep watching the video till the end. Let's get started with our interview with Preda.
So Preda, thank you so much for being on this video. I want you to tell everyone what exactly is Sourcing Buy.
Thank you, Crystal, for inviting me. And let me tell you something about Sourcing Buy. Sourcing Buy is a leading international trade company in China, established in 2015, providing a platform by accessing 1688 to help the clients to source from China easily and safely. We focus on one-stop sourcing services for the clients. Now, mostly of our clients choose us instead of Alibaba because we can source the products on Alibaba with good quality and lower price. So basically, you can take us as the alternate of Alibaba.
Lower price is very important, especially for all e-commerce sellers.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. But let's talk a little bit more about how actually Sourcing Buy works for international sellers. How does it help international clients be able to buy from 1688?
So we actually offer one-stop services, including product sourcing, quality inspection, FBA labeling, customizing the logos, free storage, national delivery, and after-sales services. You can see that we are very professional with the Amazon FBA service. So we are suitable for e-commerce business and especially for Amazon FBA sellers. So basically, the process is you let us know about the products that you are interested in. Then we source for you on 1688 and give you the 1688 link. Then you can simply place the orders on our website.
Perfect. And I know you have a lot of experience with Amazon because Sourcing By started in 2015. And this is very important because not a lot of sourcing agencies and companies know how Amazon works. And you are able to help people everywhere, including the Middle East, which we're very excited about. One additional thing, what other additional services can you provide somebody who wants to source through Sourcing By?
So first of all, we provide quotation for your products for free. For the basic services, as mentioned, we verify reliable manufacturers, communicating with the suppliers for you, inspecting the product's quality, arranging shipment, and you can get the free storage in our warehouse. We also provide FBA labeling, products customization, factory inspection, and photography if you have any requests.
One last thing, Preda, what are the payment methods that somebody can use in order to pay for these services or for these goods through Sourcing By?
So we provide PayPal and wire transfer for our international clients. You can also top up the money to the balance on our website through these two methods.
Now, I know you're eager and you want to know exactly how to set up your account on Sourcing By. But before we get going, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society. And we help brands, businesses, and entrepreneurs create and set up their business on Amazon in the Middle East. If you want help setting up your own business on Amazon, then all you need to do is contact us on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org, and make sure that you download our free Amazon Middle East FBA workbook. You'll find the link in the description box of this video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave me a comment in the comments section below. Let me show you exactly how to set up your own account on Sourcing By using our discount code. So right now we're on the Sourcing By website and you can get all the information that you need. You can check out their services and everything. How does Sourcing By actually work? Well, you heard in the interview, but mostly how they do is they provide a lot of things for free. They get you free quotation. They even search for products for you on your behalf on 1688. They even give you preliminary consultation, lots of things completely for free. But once you make an order and you decide to work with them, then their commission is 5%. Now, if you use our code ASSME to open your account on Sourcing By, then they will provide you a discount. Instead of taking 5%, they will just take 3%. Now, when you create your Sourcing By website, this is your account, this is what the dashboard looks like. It's a very interesting dashboard because you can verify every step of the way where your products are. So you can, for example, check the products that are going to be purchased if you have added them to your dashboard. If you are purchasing, if you have purchased, if they're being shipped to the warehouse, if they have been partially received. So you can know each and every step of the way where your products are, okay? But let me show you what I would recommend how you use Sourcing By. So right now I'm on 1688. 1688 is the Chinese version of Alibaba. It functions exactly the same, except it's in Chinese. So let's say you're searching for something. I'm gonna type in water bottle. As you can see, you're going to get a lot of options, of course, same thing like Alibaba. Why not translate it into English through Google Translate so you can kind of understand what's going on? Now, additionally, let's assume you like this one. You can click on it. You can grab the URL, go into your Sourcing By dashboard, and put in the URL right here just to make your life much, much easier. So now it has successfully aggregated the information, and now you're going to get all the information directly in English, and it's going to directly transform it's going to convert from to the currency that you want. So you can see you can convert to USD, Chinese currency, British pounds, or even euros, depending on what is favorable to you. And you can find all the information you want. They're going to automatically translate it into English so you can understand. And you can directly figure out if the supplier does have any units, yes or no. So as you can see here, the unit is 1.51 USD. But they have 0 pieces available, which is going to mean that they're going to have to manufacture that product for you, and it's going to take some time. Now, the cool thing about this, that once you find products, if that's the way that you want to follow and you want to source your product on Sourcing By, the great thing is you can directly log into here, which is you can talk to Sourcing By has approximately 20 account managers, and you will be allocated an account manager, and the account manager can communicate with the supplier on your behalf. So they can talk to the supplier, they can tell the supplier, what you're looking for, they can let you know how long it's going to take to manufacture this product, they can negotiate low MOQ. There's actually a very low MOQ because you can order as many units as you want. But if you want to customize the product, they will negotiate for you. They'll do everything for you because the supplier normally does not speak any English. So you'll be able to find the product and get them to handle it for you. And once you're ready and you are happy with the samples and everything that you want, and you're happy and ready, you will order the products. The products will arrive to the Sourcing By warehouse where they will be inspected. And then when they are confirmed that they're good to go, they will ship them to whatever FBA warehouse you want all over the world. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so you never miss another episode of Power Your E-commerce Business. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. What video or what information do you need in order to power your own e-commerce business? I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.